Hi there, glad you stopped by. Whether you're here because your old sink needs replacing or you're planning a full kitchen upgrade, you're in good company. At the trade table, I love helping homeowners make smart, stress-free choices. Today I'm diving into one of the most important steps in choosing a new kitchen sink: getting the measurements right. A little planning now can save you a lot of hassle later, so let's walk through exactly how to measure your space to ensure a perfect fit. Step 1. Identify your sink type. Different sinks require different measurement methods. Drop-in, or top-mount, sits on top of the counter with a visible rim. Undermount installed beneath the counter for a sleek, seamless look. Farmhouse or apron front, exposed front with a deep basin. Pro tip: if you're replacing your sink, stick to the same type for the easiest installation. Step 2. Measure the existing sink. You'll need a tape measure, a notepad, and a straight edge for depth. Measure the length from the left edge to the right edge of the sink. Measure the width from the back edge near the faucet to the front edge. Measure the depth. Place a straight edge across the sink and measure from the bottom up to the straight edge. Got an undermount sink? Also measure the height from the sink to the countertop. For farmhouse sinks, measure the front apron height separately. Wondering about standard sink size? Most kitchen sinks are 22 inches deep by 30 inches wide, but they can range from 24 to 36 inches wide. Step 3. Measure your cabinet space. Your sink cabinet size determines the maximum sink size you can install. Depth. Measure from back to front inside the cabinet. Width. Measure the left to right interior space. Adjust for fit. Subtract 4 inches from width and 1 inch from depth for proper clearance. Most cabinets are 24 inches deep. Make sure your new sink fits. Step 4. Measure the countertop cutout if you're replacing a sink. Removing your old sink? Take measurements of the cutout to ensure the new sink fits perfectly. Turn off your water supply and disconnect plumbing. Carefully remove the sink. Measure the existing cutout's width and depth. For drop-in sinks, make sure the new lip covers the cutout. For undermount sinks, match the cutout with interior sink dimensions. Corner shape matters. Make sure the new sink has a similar corner radius to cover any gaps. Measuring a kitchen sink accurately means a stress-free installation. Whether you're going for a sleek undermount or a deep farmhouse sink, measuring ahead saves time and money. Getting your kitchen sink measurements right is one of the smartest steps you can take before making a purchase. It saves time, money, and a whole lot of frustration during installation. When you're ready to upgrade, head over to www.thetradetable.com to explore our selection of high-quality kitchen sinks built to fit your space and your style.